In today's Apple Numbers Spreadsheet demonstration, I'm going to show you how to subtract cells in Apple Numbers. So here we have a very basic sales spreadsheet with the monthly totals and the monthly costs. And we want to work out the net profit. But first I'll show you how to do a basic subtraction here at the side of the spreadsheet. So what you want to do in any cell, you want to press the equals key, then you want to select any number within the spreadsheet. So we'll select Chris's March's sales. Then you want to select the minus key on the keyboard and then select any other number within the spreadsheet. And then you want to press the green tick or enter key. And this will subtract the first number from the second number. Now if you want to make any changes, you can double click into the cell, which will bring back up the function key. And then you can take away more numbers if you wish. So at the end, you can then press another minus key and then select another number and then enter. So that's how you subtract within a cell. Now let's say we want to find a net profit for January. What you do in B12, you press the equals key to bring up the function box. Now you click B8 for your overall sales of that month. Now you want to press the minus key to subtract and select the monthly costs in B10. And now we can press the green tick or the enter key. And now your net monthly profit has been produced. Now we don't have to do that for each individual month. What you can do, you can highlight the cell and you see this little yellow tab here. You can click it and hold and drag throughout the rest of the months. And this will auto sum each month. If you want to make your table more neat and you want to center it, you can come up to Format, Text, and then Center. So let's quickly go back and press Command and Z to get rid of them net profits. And let's say we've done away with the total here. So now you want to press the equals key in B11 and you want to select all the numbers for January. And now you want to come to the other side of the closed bracket and then press the minus key to subtract and now select the costs in B9. And you want to press the green tick or enter. As you can see, again, the net total has now been produced. And again, you can copy this function throughout the spreadsheet with the little yellow tab. So that's a couple of different ways how to subtract in Apple Numbers. I hope you found that video useful, and if you did, check out this playlist here where we have many other videos ranging from beginners all the way up to more advanced, and thank you for watching.